If you're experiencing a lab connection error on a Cloud Guru, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Try accessing other websites or services to confirm that your connection is not the issue. Step 2. Refresh the lab environment. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing the connection error. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache, then try accessing the lab again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with lab connections. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or VPNs, and attempt to reconnect to the lab. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to a Cloud Guru support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the lab connection error and continue your learning experience on a Cloud Guru. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.